back to yet another super crazy belated Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the December Luxe box unboxing. At least we only have 3 more months of boxes and then we're caught up after this one. So, let us get into it. We've got our little paper here with our values. It looks like the highest value in this box is a $58 item, so let's go. No particular order. Ooh, we got another Dew of the Gods. You know I love this brand. So this is the Dew of the Gods The Weekend Glow Challenge. Wait. Yeah, it is. Sorry, I was like, is that what it said on it? I guess so. Because it's 2 sheet masks in here. Lace spun for Saturday and Sunday specifically. Is this blessed by Buddhist monks like the others are? It does not mention it, so maybe this one isn't. Oh, they're different too. Cool. So anyway, the Gods of Good Skin challenge you to prioritize you this weekend. Whoop, I dropped it. This weekend, you're the main character. Dew of the Gods has formulated 2 rich, luxurious, purposeful lace-spun sheet masks designed to restore your skin's bounce, moisture barrier, and youthful glow from the week you've just lived, while also preparing your skin for the next 7 days ahead. That's pretty cool. I like that. But yeah, I'm just like, it looks like you can see 2 packages inside the package, like through the light. So I'm like, okay, that's cool. Because I was like, how can we tell which one's for Saturday and which one's for Sunday? Because they have different ingredients, but apparently that's how. They're in their own packets. So, we've got bubble wrap. We've got from Herbivore, we have I can talk. Herbivore Botanicals Cloud Jelly Serum. The light from the window is really wanting to bleach this out. Look at the cute little strawberries and mushrooms. Oh my goodness. So, this is $48. Oh yeah, by the way, the Dew of the Gods one was $40 for that. 40 for sheet masks. Insane. So this is $48 for a serum, but at least that seems more on par with like reasonable, so I don't know. I don't feel as bad about that. A non-sticky hyaluronic acid alternative serum that helps to dry dehydrated skin bounce back. Or helps dry dehydrated skin bounce back. Tremella mushroom, hyaluronic acid alternative, and vegan collagen leave skin feeling hydrated and plump. I want to see it. Is it cute? I want it to be cute. Because the packaging is so cute. I think it is. Oh, it is! Look at it! It's so cute! It's pink! It's pink! Oh my gosh! I need to put this next to whatever it was that I got in that Trend Mood box that was also pink. I need them next to each other on my vanity. Going for the Barbie vibes. Yeah, I know. Movie's already been out a month. I don't care. I don't care. Pink vibes forever. So, next thing. What is this? By Dear Midnight, we have Set to Last setting spray. This is $30. So, lightweight, alcohol-free, and hydrating, the setting spray locks in your makeup look, ensuring you're set to last throughout your day. It's setting spray. There's not a lot to say about it. So, let me see this real quick. I have my data entry thing, but there's a timer on it, so I'm sure with the work at home things, you guys know about you have to move the mouse every once in a while, so anyway. So, next up, from Fenty Beauty, we have the Stunna Lip Paint. This isn't my first Stunna Lip Paint. Longwear Fluid Lip Color in Uncensored. I'm gonna have to double check and see if that's one of them that I've done before, because if so, I'll just pop this on eBay. But this retails for $26. A weightless longwear liquid lipstick with a soft matte finish. Born in a range of head-turning shades that look incredible on all skin tones. Okay. Also, I apologize in advance if we suddenly hear a creepy-sounding robotic goodbye. It's my my Bluetooth speaker. I have it paired with my phone right now, but it's on pause while I film this, so I don't know the exact amount of time it takes it to, like, shut itself off. It might be 10 minutes, it might be 15. I forget. So if it suddenly does that mid-video, don't be creeped out. It's literally just my speaker. So, from Keys Soul Care, we have the Harmony Mask, and this is $30. So, A purifying and hydrating charcoal-free charcoal face mask, not charcoal-free, it's literally charcoal. Charcoal face mask scented with soothing sandalwood and formulated with manuka, honey, and gold foil. Ooh, that sounds like it should be fun. Alright, that's a bougie one. Then we have from Youthforia the BYO blush. This is $36 and it's in the shade Chemical Reaction, which looks like, let's see what it looks like. Oh, what? I'm sorry, what? How the hell? Oh my god, like it showed this on the lid and this is why I wanted to see what does that look like, but oh my god, what? That's crazy. Oh my god, it can't possibly go on green. So, anyway, it says, where was it? Meet the award-winning, first-of-its-kind, color-changing blush oil. Oh god. Oh, it's gonna break me out bad. Oh well, who cares? Anyway. BYO Blush is the secret of everyday no-makeup makeup, a universally flattering shade that reacts to your skin's natural pH to instantly give you the perfect shade of natural flush. Okay, so maybe it's not called chemical reaction, maybe they're just saying it is a chemical reaction. Alright, well, I am very, very intrigued by this, given that it starts out green. But we have seen pH makeup before, and it's pretty impressive, so. Anyway. We also have, from Anastasia Beverly Hills, this is the $58 product, the Face Palette Italian Summer. This essential trio delivers a lightweight, buttery feel and seamless blend, illuminating all skin tones for long-lasting natural radiance. With easy-to-apply and buildable formulas, this Luxe Portable Glam Compact provides an unbeatable one-and-done solution for a subtle to supercharged look. Well, let's see it. I'm excited. Especially with it being Italian. I'm Italian. I'm like, oh, look at it. Look at it. Dude. Rose gold boot. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, it's so bougie looking. I love this. So let's see. I'm less worried about blinding you in this room, so. Look at them. They're so pretty. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with this. I'm gonna have fun with this. See, right now I just have the natural light from the window, so there's no bounce back of like a super bright light that would go into the camera, so. Anyway, and our last item, whoop, I can finally move the box out of the way, is from, what is this, Mally Beauty. This is $45. It's the Best Dressed Lids, Neutrals and Bolds, 14 Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadows. I trip on my words, I don't know what to tell you, I'm super sorry. Whatever the occasion or your mood, there's a shade that's a perfect fit. We've gotten this before, I could swear. Looking at the names of the colors, I'll get to that, but whatever the occasion or your mood, there's a shade that's a perfect fit in this 14 Well palette. You'll have your pick of matte and shimmer eyeshadows in neutrals and bold colors. Every shade works beautifully alone and plays well together. Use a light shade on your lids and add depth with a darker shade in your eyelid crease, or pair a matte lid with a shimmer under your brow bones and at the corners of your eyes for added dimension that gets all eyes on you. This is $45, but the color names are Cocktail Party, Date Night, After Hours, Girls Night Out, Beach Day, Late Brunch, Power Lunch, Charity Gala, Monday Meeting, Book Club, Dance Party, Black Tie Event, Romantic Picnic, and Music Concert. I swear we have talked about this palette before. I don't think I've properly swatched it out and reviewed it yet, but I would put money on it. I've gotten this at least one other time in one of the boxes. I will have to go through my palettes and see. If so, then another one to be going on the eBays, but. Oh, so compared to the picture on the back, let me show you a thing. So the colors look like this on the back, right? They look like they have color. And then you see the real palette, and it's like, oh, I mean, a couple of them do, but a lot of them are very muted. I'm like, oh, okay. I mean, maybe I'll feel more excited about this once I start using it. But right now I'm like, oh, that's, huh. I mean, it looks like a good autumn vibes palette, if nothing else. But it doesn't spark an instant excitement in me like some palettes do. But again, that could just be a me thing. That could just be because I haven't tried it yet. Because, like, looking individually at each shade, and then looking at, like, how they compare with each other, I'm like, I'm sure I could get some really nice looks out of this. It just, overall, I'm like, it's so muted. Aw, that's not fun. But anyway, yeah, that's what that palette looks like, and I am, like, so sure that I have at least one more of this somewhere. But anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.